that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man?
I'm bagging the Ipsy bag for the month of April. This is what the bag looks like. Super cute. They've included a little brochure like they always do with all of them. And then this is what's on the inside. So let's see what we got this month. Okay, so first thing is this right here. The packaging on here is super cute. I like the packaging. It's Moods Laura Sanchez, and this is what it looks like. I believe this is an eyeshadow. Oh yeah, it's an eyeshadow, and we're gonna swatch this just so we can see what it looks like. Now the funny thing about that is they keep giving out green eyeshadows, and it's like, what are y'all trying to tell us? A bunch of green shimmery eyeshadows? Because I could have swore that last month I got a green eyeshadow that looks similar to this. Like, I don't know what's going on with green eyeshadow. Like, why? Okay, so the next thing we have is the Coal of Honor. I think it's an Ico pencil. And let's see what it says. It says Sugar Cosmetics Coal of Honor Intense Kojakai. I don't know how to pronounce that word, so don't come for me in the comments. This is like an Ico pencil, like an eyeliner, and it's supposed to be smudge proof, and this is what it looks like. And then let me put the box down. Oh, okay. I can definitely use one of these. Alright, that was cool. So let's see what else we have, because you know we have 5 items that comes. Oh, okay, so this says is going to be this lip gloss, and it's 100% vegan. So let's see. It's vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no gluten, made with vitamin E, with the blackberry and raspberry extracts, with soft shea butter, with soybean, safflower, and sunflower seed oils, and it's hypoallergenic. Vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free. And this is what it looks like. That was just a whole lot just to have about a lip gloss. Now, that was just a lot. I don't know what was going on with that, but okay. It must have some good qualities to it. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to try this one on. It smells real good. It smells like candy. It kind of tastes like candy too. That's nice. Okay, so this is the lip gloss. Let me see if I can. That's the lip gloss on. Okay. They be okay. The glosses have, I've been here for the glosses. Their glosses have been very, very good. So let's see The next thing that we have is Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. And this is what it looks like. This is the primer that goes to the, I guess, the Shape Tape foundation, which I do not have. So let's see. Let's see what the consistency of it. Let me see. Oh, it's very watery. That is the consistency of the primer. Oh, this is very, look at it, you can already look at it already started running down. I don't like primers that are thin and watery like this, so I probably would not use this. I'll try it maybe if I run out of my Tatcha, but yeah. And just one more look at it. It's very pretty packaging. The packaging is very cute, but it's runny, so I would not, no, sorry. Okay, so the last thing that we have is the Apto Skincare Nourishing Mask with Blue Spirulina. It comes like this, it's sealed. So let's see. I don't know, it has a weird herbal smell to it. If that's a thing. We're gonna try this on. I'm gonna try this on, and then we're gonna do, like, you can see my face before and then after when I rinse it off. So let's do that. This is, oh, why is everything so runny? So this is what it looks like. Okay, so oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely tell you guys that it feels like my face is tingling. And I don't know what's going on. But yeah, no. Ooh, it's burning. This is burning. I'll be back. I know I'm not tripping. Yeah, I'm not. So this is what I put on my face. And this just burned the hell out of my face. Like, my face is literally on fire. Like, I don't know what the hell happened, but no, this is definitely a no for me. I will not be putting this nowhere near my face. I'm probably gonna throw this in the trash because this And it says it's for dry skin. It's a no for me, dog. Like, it's a no. I'm not, nuh-uh. We not doing that. Because this right here just burned the shit out of my face. So, I'm tired of getting green eyeshadows. For some reason, they think that because it's spring, we have to have green eyeshadows. Don't nobody need that many damn green eyeshadows, sis. Okay? Ain't nobody using green that much. Sorry, but no. I'll probably be using this because this smells very nice and it went on. The color is very sheer. It's like an iridescent peachy, not peachy, raspberry kind of color, kind of. Yeah, this right here was a miss. Nope, it's not. It's watery. And then this thing, oh, see, and that's what it just fell by itself. And this right here is a definite no. That's going in the trash. After I cut this camera off, yeah, that's going in the trash. Okay, period. Like, oh, my face. I'm just gonna wrap up this video because my face is kind of burning from that face mask, whatever I just put on my face. If you guys like this video, hit the big thumbs up below somewhere here, as well as join the family. I do these videos every month unboxing my new Ipsy bag. Next month I might be having the Glam Bag Plus because they sent me an invitation. I think I might hop on it because this might be the only opportunity that I might get to get the Glam Bag Plus. So I might go ahead and go and do that, as well as join the fam. We cool over here, okay? And as you can see, I sacrificed my face and my skin for this video. So yeah, join the fam, hit that subscribe button, like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like this video, let me know that too. Let's comment below, get the discussion popping in the comments. And yeah, until next time, you guys, I love you guys. Bye.